How to get free CRL Spectator badge in Clash Royale. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up any browser of your choice and then type Supercell event, then open up the very first link that you will see in the search results. Simply open it up and this is where it will take you. Now here you can see the option of see predictions or view schedule, and you can also predict different matches, and this way you would be getting points, and you would get points even if your prediction is wrong, but if your prediction is right you would be earning more points. But you can also scroll down and here you can see different results. This will give you an idea of different teams and how they are playing in this tournament, so this way you would be able to predict in a better way. So after that, simply select this option of predictions and then predict. Each prediction will give you some point and you have to accumulate around 300 points in order to get the spectator badge. Otherwise, if you accumulate 1000 points, then you would be getting additional rewards from Supercell, and this is a great way to earn the rewards. You can also check the schedule of different days and accordingly you can predict, and this is how you would be able to get it for free quite easily. If you are watching the live streams of the events and the matches, then you would also get to participate in different quizzes and the other activities where you would earn additional points, and this way you can accumulate even more than the people who are just doing the predictions, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.